What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which hasn't moved much over the last week or so. As you guys can see, it's been up and down, but overall it has been maintaining its value around the 2 cents target. Even though the crypto market has been pumping like crazy, Jasmy hasn't followed a similar pattern. Now we can see Bitcoin is nearing $100,000 guys, where it should be able to hit it towards the end of this week, early next week, and I'm expecting the crypto market to go in a bullish direction. But today's focus is on Jasmy, looking at what's the next target, what's in it for Jasmy for the rest of the year as well as going into 2025. Is this a good investment? And essentially looking at its prediction for the short term and the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. However, as you guys can see, Jasmy is currently trading in the dark green zone and has been doing so over the last couple of months. Yes, it has dipped down into the green zone, but it is basically back to where it was trading at back in August and September. But for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, so let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes guys, it is indeed trading above the signal line, which is the red line here. So more increases in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should see Jasmy pumping up in value. Again, nothing major. It's not going to be a major breakout or a major pump, but minimal increases in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy towards the end of the day today, heading over 0.022 cents in value. And it is also above the baseline, which is this line here, as you guys can see. So it is looking quite good for Jasmy over the coming hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, again we still have the blue line above the red line, so again it is looking quite good once again for Jasmy over the coming week. So towards mid to end of next week, Jasmy should be nearing the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. Getting up to about 0.027 to 0.028 in value is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of next week. Reason being is Bitcoin should be able to hit the $100,000 mark guys, which should have a major impact or positive impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies, including Jasmy as well. So let's move on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. What can we see here now? We're not looking too great. As you guys can see, the blue line is trading below or hovering below the orange line, meaning an overall drop in value is what is predicted from Jasmy over the coming weeks, so towards the end of the year. However, with the Bitcoin pump, I'm expecting Jasmy to also pump up in value. I know it doesn't follow a similar pattern to the rest of the crypto market out there. However, I'm expecting slow and steady increases from Jasmy towards the end of the year. Getting near about the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by end of December and early January. But again, if you guys do want regular updates on Jasmy, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So let's move back to the hourly chart and bring back the Bollinger Band. As you guys can see here, the crypto is still trading above the band. So yes, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, as I predicted earlier. But again guys, it has been very volatile. Usually when you see the Bollinger Band, it might be a little bit narrow and so on. There has been times where it has been narrow, but this crypto has been very volatile over the last year. It's been up and down all over the place, but as long as we can get it to slowly and steadily increase in value over the coming days and weeks, it should be good to go. And bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we can see here, let's move it onto the daily chart. We can see that it is currently trading in the dark green zone. There has been times, even yesterday, where it did pump up just about hitting the resistance target for the blue zone, but straight away just dipped back down in value. And I am essentially expecting it to head into the blue zone towards the end of November, early December, and heading out of the blue zone into the top tier level by mid to late December is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any major updates or news that come across, I will keep you guys updated as much as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 44% in the last 24 hours, making it $138 million in trading, which is again quite of a dip. Reason for the drop is, of course, the value of Jasmy did drop quite a bit earlier today, all up until now where it's slowly starting to gain value. And over the last week, as you guys can see, the value of Jasmy dipped by 7%, and the trading volume has been more or less fluctuating around 130 million, just like it is right now. Yes, it did go up to 242 million on the 20th, which was yesterday, but right now it has dropped down once again. So that's what I mean by Jasmy is a very volatile crypto. However, I'm expecting slow increases in value. I myself am holding on to Jasmy. I haven't bought more recently and I haven't sold what I've got already. I'm literally just holding on to it for the long term, and I have been holding it for quite a while now. So yeah, I'll just carry on holding on to it, and over the month it is up just about 6%. Comparing to other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Jasmy is not up that much when you look at the monthly chart, and that is what I mean by it hasn't been following a similar pattern to the crypto market. Now, this is my prediction on Jasmy. Let me know how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive as well as negative comments around Jasmy. I myself, I'm holding on to it, and I think it will do very well over the coming months as well as coming years as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.